What is up, guys? I hope you're doing well. So I got a good one for you today. I had a young guy reach out to me that's brand new to jig fishing and he doesn't know how to put a jig trailer on a jig. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So check this out. In today's video, we're gonna be using a Strike King Bitsy Flip. And as far as a trailer, we're going to use an Excite Baits Raptor Tail Chunk. Now the cool thing about this, you can have any kind of jig manufacturer with any kind of trailer manufacturer. So you can always cross them. You don't always have to stay within the same brand. You can mix them up. So check this out. First thing, flip your jig upside down. Just like this, we want to get the skirt hairs out of the way. Next, pull the weed guard down. Now what you want to do is get your jig trailer. Since you're brand new, I'm gonna turn this way. You wanna kinda get a reference on when you thread this guy on where you need to bust it out. So here we go. So now I got my reference down. All I'm gonna do is thread it on, and right about there, I'm gonna bust it out. Hold it and kinda pull it. And that guy right there, fellas, it is ready to go catch some bass. But that's easy, just take time, practice, practice, and practice, and you'll definitely get the hang of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any more fishing questions, drop them in the comment section below, and eventually I'll get around to making a video for you. Y'all take care, keep God first in your life. We'll see you on the water.